For a 3-phase 15 kilovolt underground service installed by the customer from the utility service pole, a separate grounded conductor is not required. The National Electrical Code does not require a separate grounded conductor for 3-phase services operating at 1000 volts or more. This is because the NEC recognizes that the cable shields of underground cables provide a sufficient path for ground fault current. The cable shields of properly installed underground cables are approved as grounded conductors for 3-phase services operating at 1000 volts or more. The shields are typically made of copper or aluminum and are designed to provide a low resistance path for ground fault current to flow back to the source. There are a few requirements that must be met for cable shields to be used as grounded conductors. Firstly, the shields must be continuous and properly installed. Secondly, the shields must be bonded together at all joints and terminations. Thirdly, the shields must be connected to the grounded system at the service entrance.